Question 19 is 3 marks functions. The question says the functions f and g are such that f of x is equal to 3x minus 4 where x is more than 2. G of x equal x divided by 2x plus 1. Question A, state the value of x that cannot be included in the domain. Now what's the domain? The domain are just the values of x. What cannot be x? What value we can't use as x here? Whenever it's a fraction like this, think of you don't want the denominator to be 0. Why? Because any number, if you divide it by 0, 5, 6, 3, any number divided by 0 is an unidentified answer. We can't tell what's the answer. So whenever the question asks you that, make the denominator equal 0 or doesn't equal 0, one of them. Both works. Then let's just make it equal 0. It looks nice. And then I'll do minus 1 on both sides to get the value of x. So that gives you 2x equal negative 1 because it's just 0 minus 1. And then I'll divide by 2. I'll divide by 2 to get the value of x. So x is negative a half. We can't have the denominator to be negative a half. This is the answer. Now let's look at the second part. Find g f of x. G f of x. To make you understand this in an easy way, what if it was g of 3? If it's g of 3, we will substitute 3 here, 3 here, 3 here, right? But now it's g f of x. It's g f of x. So instead of these x's in g, we will substitute the value of f of x. Do you get me? Instead of this x here, we will substitute 3x minus 4. Instead of this x, we will substitute 3x minus 4. So let's write it. It's going to be g f of x. What's f of x? 3x minus 4. So it's g of 3x minus 4. Now instead of this x, we substitute 3x minus 4. So it's going to be 3x minus 4 divided by 2x plus 1. So it's going to be 2 times 3x minus 4 plus what? Plus 1. That's equals 3x minus 4 stays, relax, divided by. We expand. 2 times 3x is 6x. 2 times negative 4 is negative 8 plus 1. And that's equals 3x minus 4 divided by 6x minus 7. Because minus 8 plus 1 is minus 7. What the students do here is they will reduce 3 divided by 3 is 1 and 6 divided by 3 is 2. No, you can't do that. This is the final answer. If there is a plus or minus, if it's 2 terms, you can't reduce. Never. This is directly giving you the wrong answer. You can reduce if it was 3x times 4 divided by 6x, for example, times 7. Here, yes, you can reduce. 3 divided by 3 is 1, 6 divided by 3 is 2. That's correct. But if it's plus or minus, you can't. Do you get it? Alright, that's 3 marks. Now let's look at question 20. Histogram.